Hi, everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you a brief overview of what Notebook LM, that's Google's Notebook LM. They now renamed it to Gemini Notebook. So you can get there a couple ways. So easiest way is just to search for Google Notebook and it'll take you here, or you can see it's notebooklm.google. And once you get there, click on it. You're going to get to this splash screen. So you're just going to click on Try Gemini Notebook. And once you do that, you're in. So this is what's going to look like the first time when you log in. You're not going to see any of these notebooks that I've already created. You're just going to see where it says Create Notebook. And basically what a notebook is a digital repository where you can upload documents for any topic, and you can create a number of things. You can create podcasts, video casts, um, study guides, quizzes, vocabulary lists, things like that. So once you're in, you can click on Notebook. And when you create a notebook, you can share it with the students. I've shown all the students that I've been in the classes with how to use this, so the students can create these on their own. But if you wanted to create it, you can share it out with the students. So once you click on that, you're going to see it takes you to this page. I'm just going to close this for now and just touch on a few things real quickly. So first thing, up in the left-hand corner, upper left-hand corner, you're going to rename it. So I'm just going to put rename in there. Just name it what you want. Few different ways to use this. You can either use it for a topic, so it could be a unit that you're covering, or you can use it for a course. So the only issue with using it for a course is you're going to add sources over here, like PDFs, links to websites, videos, any source that you really want to add over there. And then you have to check the sources that you want to use to create all of these different resources over here. So it kind of gets a little bit confusing because you're going to have, like, if it's for a course, you're going to have 100, maybe more resources over here that you have to like keep clicking on and off when you want to create a resource for it. So I think personally it's easier just to use it per unit or per topic. So once you're in here, you're just going to click on Add Source. You can find something from the web. You can find something from your Google Drive. You see here it says Fast Research, where you're just going to search for anything on the web. So this is almost like a Google search, and it will find things for you. Down here you can upload files, websites, Google Drive, or if you wanted to, you could just go and copy text. And if I click on this, paste the text right here. So if you find an article on the internet, you could copy that, you could paste it in here, and it's going to create these resources for you. In the other videos, I'm going to show you what it actually looks like once they create these resources. But this is how you get it up and running. Rename it. You're going to add sources from your computer, your Google Drive, websites, things like that. And I'll show you what that looks like in future videos. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me and I would be happy to help.